This is the DJI Osmo Mobile, not the Osmo Mobile 2, the original Osmo Mobile. It's a gimbal for smartphones. I shoot video on my iPhone 90% of the time, and I have it with me all the time, so it makes sense to shoot video with it. But sometimes it's not always the most stable shots, especially when I'm tracking or moving around. If you like this video, don't forget to comment below and like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what your favorite gimbal is for your smartphone. Here's some old shots and some new ones. Thanks again for watching.